In a historic move today, the centre told the Supreme Court that women will be admitted into the National Defence Academy for permanent commission into India's armed forces. The government, however, said it needs some time to frame guidelines to pave the way for women to take NDA courses. The Supreme Court has told the centre to file a reply by 20th of September.
Sometime next year, the first batch of girls just 17 years old will get a shot at an enormous dream to become officers of the Indian Armed Forces, where one day they could rise to become a general, air marshal or admiral, perhaps someday even the Army, Navy or Air Force chief. Today, after much coding from the Supreme Court in an earlier hearing, the government said women will be admitted into the National Defence Academy, that is the NDA, the gateway to permanent commission in the armed forces. Unlike NDA recruits, women candidates are presently granted short service commission and only later considered for a permanent berth, a system that affects their growth prospects in the service. In today's hearing, the centre told the Supreme Court it's a delight to share this. Girls will be admitted in the NDA. The Supreme Court told the centre that they're extremely glad to know that armed forces themselves took a decision to induct females in NDA, and that the court wants them to take a proactive approach themselves in ensuring gender equality rather than waiting for courts to intervene.
जो है महिलाएं अब वो नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी में परमानेंट कमीशन के लिए आ सकेंगी और उनकी एंट्री होगी और ये अपने आप में एक महत्वपूर्ण बात है और सभी महिलाएं जो भविष्य में अपीयर होने वाली हैं उन सभी को बधाई.
Divyanshi Agarwal, who lives in Indirapuram in Ghaziabad, passed the class 12th examinations with 99% and now she feels that with this decision, girls will soar higher.
मैं इस बात से बहुत ही खुश हूँ क्योंकि मैं अपने देश के लिए एनडीए में जाना पसंद करूंगी. मैं आर्मी में जाकर अपने देश की सेवा करना पसंद करूंगी.
Shambhavi Singh, a resident of Noida who is studying in class 11, says that this will fulfill her dream.
ये एक बहुत ही बड़ा और वेलकम डिसीजन है. इस डिसीजन से हम सभी लड़कियां अपने मनपसंद की सर्विसेज, चाहे वो आर्मी हो, नेवी हो या एयरफोर्स हो, उसमें भाग ले पाएंगे और अपनी कंट्री को, अपने पेरेंट्स को प्राउड करा पाएंगे. और जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि लड़कियां ज़मीन से लेकर आसमान तक हर जगह ऊंचाइयां छू रही हैं.
In an interim order on 18th August, the top court had slammed the gender mindset of the army, forcing the government to act. Women are presently allowed entry into 10 arms of the army, but not the fighting arms. A decision to accept women into the army's infantry, armoured mechanized forces and artillery is still to be taken. The Indian Air Force has deployed women in combat roles and employs women fighter pilots. The Navy is also looking to progressively induct women on board warships.
The Supreme Court also said today that it was conscious of the fact that reforms cannot be made in a day and granted time to the government to file its detailed affidavit about the guidelines by 20th September. The next hearing in the case will take place on 22nd September. In New Delhi, with Vishnu Shom and Rajiv Ranjan, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.